Come today in front of me REALME GT Neo 2 and I'll show you how to take screenshots without buttons on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the convenience tool section. Now just go here to the screenshot and here you got two switchers. Just here when you turn on the switcher by swipe down with your three fingers at the same time, you can take a screenshot, you can send the screen. If you'll just tap on the screen, you can crop to change the size. You can send the screenshot to someone. Also you can just edit the screen, and also you can change the shape of the screen, for example by this way. And now just you can save the screen. And also here the second switcher, just touch and hold with your three fingers down, and you can also make the screen, but not to your full size screen size, and just the part one, or also you can change the screen size, and by the same way you can edit the screen, and you can also delete the screen. And now if you want to just find your screenshots, go to the photos or to the gallery, and here you got the library, and here in the camera folder you will see your screens, or also you can go to the photos and here you got the albums, and here you also can find the screenshot folder. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.